no-bake Reese's peanut butter cup cheesecake. Now, there's all different kinds of variations of cheesecake that one can make. This is a no-bake, and so in addition to having all of these wonderful things that most people love in their cheesecake, we got, you know, peanut butter, we got chocolate, we got whatever, lots of things. Cream cheese. This is a no-bake, so it's simple as well, right? Relatively speaking. So, where do we start?
Where do we start? So we're gonna start with our Oreo crust. So in my food processor, I have about 25 Oreo cookies pre-processed for us.
Like the Oreo, the whole Oreo cookie, or the?
With that filling.
Oh,
I know, it's
I
really
thought you were
good.
gonna say, well, actually no, just the wafer, but you've got, okay.
Yeah,
all
and
right.
then we also have some melted butter going in. We also have some smooth peanut butter.
So you actually put the peanut butter in the crust as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah. It's a whole bunch of Reese's right in there.
Yeah, super low cal. This is, you know what, listen, every once in a while you have to just enjoy life. And the way we enjoy life is with cheesecake so often, so.
So I'm gonna process this on low to get that mixed together.
Yeah, it's like
where you do your processing.
do the little
dance,
processing shake. The shimmy.
The shimmy.
The process and shimmy.
So when we're doing our crust, we just want it to look nice and wet.
Yeah.
So that we can press it into our springform pan.
Because that's what you would do with it eventually, because you've got this all prepped here now.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
So you're gonna notice I have parchment paper down here. I actually put that down first, then I tighten my springform. That just helps the crust not stick when I'm transferring later.
Yeah.
Then I have my chopped peanut butter cups.
Okay.
In there, I know, super fun. They're like
just
a little
stop
surprise
there.
at the
You just
bottom. Yeah.
finish there. That could be the end, but it's not. So
Yeah.
okay, so that's the crust. Okay.
That's the crust.
But we still have the cake to make, right? So what do we have here? Because we're gonna build this at this point, right?
Yes, we're making our cream cheese, like the cheesecake part.
Yeah.
So in here we have cream cheese. Then we're gonna add our icing sugar.
Shall I do this?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Perfect. Awesome.
So icing sugar, what's next?
Then we have melted chocolate. It's almost like we're like deconstructing the cheesecake and then rebuilding
And
it
then
back
rebuilding.
up.
Yeah, exactly. Sorry, this is not going to be like super.
That's okay.
I just hear my mother's voice in my head, get every bit of it. But that's not going to happen here today.
Awesome.
So there's that. And then, of course,
More peanut butter.
would you ever consider using like crunchy peanut butter in this, or would it be smooth all the way for you?
You could. That would definitely add a different texture,
yeah.
in there.
Yeah.
It's really up to you. I love like a smooth cheesecake, and I find that the peanut butter cups at the bottom really give a good like texture.
If you want some texture, that's where it is. Okay,
Yeah.
so now we're going to
mix that up.
mix that up. Okay, so we're just going to do it low here for a second.
Perfect.
That's the thing with icing sugar, right? Like you hit it on high really quick, it's gonna spray everywhere. But
We'd be wearing icing sugar. We don't want that.
yeah.
Oh, look at it. There you go. So until that's about combined is what we're going for here.
Yeah. Okay. So for the purposes of today, shall we just call it a day? Okay.
Looks good.
Yes.
Love it.
Okay.
Then, so now that we have all those ingredients together, what's going to be holding this cheesecake actually together is our whipping cream. So that's like our stabilizer in our cake.
Okay. Let me
Love
just
it. Yeah, get it all. Yeah.
It's gonna kill me to not like this, by the way, but I'm not, because we're professionals here and we don't do those sorts of things on Great Taste Manitoba.
So I'm going to put in our whipping cream. And we're folding this in, making sure that we're not going too hard because I don't want it to deflate. So I am just going to fold it in.
Okay. And sorry, you had said that the point of this is just to kind of like give it a little bit of like more of a malleable texture, like more of a something that will just sort of sit nice in the pan.
Yes,
creaminess.
so when it sets, exactly, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's so
I'm gonna
lovely.
give it a nice, I know, it's nice.
Okay. Yes. So.
How's it looking?
I mean, I'm sort of.
You got quiet on me, I got nervous for a second.
Kind of blacked out there for a second. No, I mean, it looks and it smells amazing. Can't wait.
Perfect.
The hardest part of this cheesecake is the waiting, because it's a no bake, but we've got to put this, it will eventually have to chill, right, for a
Yes.
bit of time.
So next up is this goes into our, on top of our crust.
Are we doing it?
We're doing it. We'll do a little bit, and then I really want to show you the fully beautiful finished one too.
Okay.
So we'll do a little bit. Yeah, you can go for it. Thank you.
All right, so if you want to just mess with that a little bit.
Mess
I'll
with
just,
it, yeah.
this is not, again,
Just
not,
want a bit nice.
I would be much more careful about making sure it's all in there. But
Perfect.
yes. Okay.
Yep.
Getting closer.
One little
Getting
tip
closer.
I will say is just doing a little like bang down to get
Sure.
that into the bottom.
Yeah, it helps it sort of. But
Yeah.
we have a almost complete version of our beautiful no-bake Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Cheesecake. The only thing left to do is add
Garnish with our
garnish. And so, yeah, the idea was that we just dump it right on top. But anyway, you get the idea. Then you wait how long? Like it's got to sit for about how long?
Yeah,
About
so
an
this
hour?
needs to chill. Before you garnish it, even just put it in the fridge, saran wrap on top, 8 hours or overnight.
8 hours. I mean, 8 hours is worth it. Okay, there you go. Beautiful cheesecake here, no bake Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. And when we come back, we're going to meet another amazing Manitoba farm family that helps bring these amazing local products to your table here on Great Taste of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, filmed on location at Supper Central in Kenaston Commons.